My name's Swain and I'm an apprentice at Sgil as a media executive. I think the best thing that's happened is the number of people I've met through the course and also the number of benefits that have come with my job. So back in June I saw Justin Bieber and Halsey live for free. It's definitely increased my confidence and it's also taught me a lot about digital marketing, and I feel like the skills are very transferable. It's helped me a great deal with my written skills and my mathematics skills, which were appalling before the apprenticeship. And it's also helped me with communication skills. I find it a lot easier to talk to people now than I used to, and I feel like it's something that's going to help me with my career in the future. I've actually been offered a year's contract with Sgil Cymru, so I think I'm going to take that.